Okay, let's work on this problem. You are given differential equation and you need to use variation of parameters. So first we need to find Ox equation, and that is m squared plus 3 over 4m plus 1 over 8 equals to 0. No prime, no m. And use your calculator to find the root for this polynomial. That you're gonna have m equals negative 1 over 4 and m equals negative 1 over 2. So our complementary solution is gonna be c1 e to the negative 1 over 4x plus c2 e to the negative 1 over 2x. Now step number 2. In step number 2, we need to find w1 and w2. These Wronskian will give us to find the y of p particular solution. So the w equals, this is our y1, this is our y2. W equals e to the negative 1 over 4x and e to the negative 1 over 2x. That's our y1 and y2. And then second row, we need to do y1 prime and y2 prime. Then we have 1 over 4 e to the negative 1 over 4x and negative 1 over 2 e to the negative 1 over 2x. This is the determinant of the 2 by 2. We said when you have the 2 by 2 matrix, how to find the determinant delta? AD minus BC. AD e to the negative 1 over 4x times negative 1 over 2 e to the negative 1 over 2x minus BC. B is negative 1 over 2x times negative 1 over 4 e to the negative 1 over 4x. Now that is negative 1 over 2, and then we can combine the power because we have the same base. Then we need to add minus and minus, so it is a plus 1 over 4 again when we add, and that is negative 1 over 2 e to the power of, these guys we can rewrite as a 2 over 4, right? Then we're gonna have negative 3 over 4x plus 1 over 4 e to the negative 3 over 4x. Finally, we can combine these two terms. Then we're going to have a negative 1 over 4 e to the negative 3 over 4x, because we can rewrite this as 2 over 4. Okay, we have a w1. So for the w1, the first row, first column automatically is 0. And then second row, first column, it's gonna be this guy. And then second column, just need to copy down from our w. And AD, which is 0, minus BC 2x e to the negative 1 over 2x. And then w2, first column is from the w, e to the negative 1 over 4x, negative 1 over 4 e to the negative 1 over 4x. And the second column, we're going to bring this guy here, AD 2x e to the negative 1 over 4x minus BC, which is 0. Then step number 3, we need to find u1 prime, that is w1 over w. w1, we have negative 2x e to the negative 1 over 2x, and then w, negative 1 over 4 e to the negative 3 over 4x. Negative, negative will give us a positive 2 over 1 over 4, that's the 8, and then x, e to the power of 1 over 2x times, when you bring the denominator to the numerator, the power, we need to change the sign, which is 3 over 4x. That is 8x e to the power of positive 1 over 4x. Now from here, we need to find the u1, and that is integral x times e to the 1 over 4x dx. So using integration by parts, we're gonna let u equals to x and du equals to dx, and then we have a dv that is e to the power of 1 over 4x dx. From here we can find the v, which is 4 times e to the power of 1 over 4x. This 4 is coming from 1 over whatever the power 1 over 4, right? So 1 over 1 over 4, so that'll give us 4. Now we're going to multiply this way. Then that is 8 times uv, 4 times x times e to the 1 over 4x minus integral v du, 4 e to the 1 over 4x and dx. That is 8 times 4x e to the power of 1 over 4x minus 4 times 1 over 1 over 4, that is 4 again, e to the power of 1 over 4x. So our u1, when you multiply 8 to everywhere, it's going to be 32x e to the power of 1 over 4x minus 128 e to the power of 1 over 4x. That's our u1. Our u2 prime, that is w2 over w, and w2 we had a positive 2x e to the negative 1 over 4x, and then w negative 1 over 4 e to the negative 3 over 4x. So similar way, we're going to combine numerator and denominator. So 2 over negative 1 over 4, that's the negative 8, times x e to the negative 1 over 4 times e to the positive 3 over 4x, because we had a negative 3 over 4 at the denominator. When you bring it up, you need to change the sign. And that is negative 8x e to the power of positive 1 over 2x. So now our u2 is negative 8 integral x times e to the power of 1 over 2x dx. Again, we're going to do integration by part method. We have a u as a x, then du equals to dx. We have a dv equals e to the 1 over 2x dx. From here, we have a v equals 1 over 1 over 2, which is 2 times e to the positive 1 over 2x. Then we're going to multiply it this way. So our u2 equals, we have a negative 8, uv 2 times x times e to the 1 over 2x minus integral v du, 2 times e to the 1 over 2x dx. And that is negative 8 times 2x e to the 1 over 2x, and then minus 2 times 1 over 1 over 2, that's the 2 again, e to the 1 over 2x. So our final u2 goes to negative 16x e to the 1 over 2x, and then minus 4 times minus 8, positive 32 e to the power of 1 over 2x. That's our u2. As a next step, we need to find the yp, and that is u1 y1 plus u2 y2. So we have a u1 32x e to the power of 1 over 4x minus 128 e to the positive 1 over 4x times y1 e to the negative 1 over 4x plus u2 negative 16x e to the positive 1 over 2x plus 32 e to the positive 1 over 2x, and then y2 e to the negative 1 over 2x. So our yp equals, when we distribute this guy here, 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 then e to the positive 1 over 4x times e to the negative 1 over 4x, that'll give us 1. So this is just 32x minus 128 plus we have negative 16x plus 32. So final our yp is going to be 32 minus 16, which is positive 16x, minus 128 plus 32 minus 96. So finally we have y equals yc plus yp, that is c1 e to the negative 1 over 4x plus c2 times e to the negative 1 over 2x plus 16x minus 96. That's our solution.